All right, let's get you the latest on what's playing out in Sandesh Khali. Of course, there's a huge controversy over allegations that a BJP leader referred to a Bengal cop as a Khalistani. And now you've got Mamata Banerjee reacting on this, calling all of this a conspiracy to go ahead and tarnish Bengal's cultural image. She's questioned why the BJP has targeted this Punjabi officer and has said that today they'll refer to him as a Khalistani. Tomorrow, any Muslim cop will be referred to as a Pakistani. She's in fact made it clear that we, the TMC, the Trinamool Congress, Bengalis respect all religions. Let's play out for you what Mamata Banerjee has said as this face-off between the BJP and the TMC over that video that you see on the right of your screens is peaking.
একটা পাঞ্জাবি অফিসার কি হচ্ছিল তার সে ডিউটি করছে ফোর্সে পাঞ্জাবি রেজিমেন্ট নেই গোরখা রেজিমেন্ট নেই হ্যাঁ বাঙালি রেজিমেন্ট নেই যদিও সবচেয়ে বেশি আন্দোলন বাংলার লোকেরা করেছিল সব ধর্মকেই তো আমরা ভালোবাসি তাহলে তুমি একটা পাঞ্জাবির পাগড়ি পরে বলে তুমি তাকে খালিস্তানি বলে দেবে কত মুসলিম অফিসার আজকে আইএস আইপিএস আছে ডব্লিউবিসিএস আছে তুমি একটা মুসলিম অফিসার দেখে তাকে পাকিস্তানি বলে দেবে আমাকে তো কতবার কত নামে ব্যঙ্গ করা হয়েছে আমি নিজে এগুলোকে মানামানি করি না দু একজন হঠাৎ গজিয়ে উঠেছে সবচেয়ে বড় কলঙ্ক বাংলার যারা বাংলাকে কলুষিত করছে কলঙ্কিত করছেন পর্যুদস্তিত করছেন লাঞ্ছিত করছেন অত্যাচারিত করছেন তাদের আমি বলি আগামী দিন ভালো থাকবেন আপনারা আমাদের খারাপ চাইলেও আমরা কিন্তু আপনাদের খারাপ চাই না কিন্তু বাংলার অধিকার মর্যাদা কি করে রক্ষা করতে হয় এটা আমরা জানি আমরা মাথা নত করতে জানি না আমরা মাথা উঁচু করে চলি
So there you have Mamata Banerjee lashing out to the BJP. Ritik Mondal joining us on this broadcast with more details. The Trinamool Congress, Ritik, is focusing completely on this video to lash out to the BJP and essentially to counter the Sandesh Khali heat. In this particular press conference, you have Mamata Banerjee lashing out to the BJP over the video, but nothing really on Sandesh Khali.
Well, definitely that it was expected that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will be speaking out in support of the IPS officer who has been allegedly referred as Khalistani by BJP supporters on their way to Sandesh Khali. This sequence happened yesterday and the row is on. Let me tell you, TMC is attacking BJP over this controversy left, right and center. And now you have the Chief Minister of Bengal. She is raising questions. Can BJP term or refer IPS officer with turban the Khalistani? So this is a very crucial comment that is coming at a time when Sandesh Khali is boiling, and of course we did see that TMC is attacking BJP over this issue, and in many places in Kolkata there are protests are being witnessed over this issue, and Mamata Banerjee categorically stated that this is an attempt to tarnish the image of Bengal. But very significantly, she was speaking at an event of 21 February, that is the International Mother Language Day. To observe this occasion, she categorically mentioned the incident in which her, IPS officer, a Punjabi IPS officer, was allegedly targeted and referred as Khalistani by BJP supporter. So this row will be continuing. It's seemingly
correct.
This is no way out of this thing. Back to you.
Let's see how that plays out. Thanks, Ritik, for joining us with those details.